In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log out Stumble, guys. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow my steps. So, first of all, I will point out that it works in any devs. It doesn't matter which devs are using. So, after opening the game, you can see the game home screen now. And you can see and change everything you want in the game. You can check play, Stumble pass, customize, and much more. But we just want to know how to log out of Stumble, guys. So, as you can see, you can click in this gear in the top corner right here, and you go to the settings page. So, if you swipe your screen to the top, you'll be able to see this section right here, email or Facebook. So, if you make the login with email or your Facebook, you can just click in this button right here, log out. As you can see, I only made the login with email, so the logout button is in this side. But if you did that using Facebook, so you can click right here, the logout will appear in the same spot. So until the moment I'm recording this video, that's the only way to do that. So I hope I helped you in how to log out Stumble, guys. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.